returning to my channel.
Hey, subscribers.
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club, touchdown.
Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a different new video. It's a different day. So today is like the 21st, 22nd of October, I'm not quite sure. It's a Tuesday and it's very hot in Cape Town. So literally we're sitting in Vini and we just decided to come to the beach. It's like for just vibes, guys. Yo, boyfriend, just kidding. But anyway, guys, so today we just decided to come to the beach. We at Clifton Beach, third beach in Clifton. So yeah, literally we just here to relax. And yes, I know my mind is not because I thought I'm not gonna be swimming or getting into the water, but now I see like the water is so cool, there's not too much waves, we're relaxing, and now I feel like going into the water and I don't have any bikinis that are both with me. But I'll make a plan. Maybe I'll wear my boyfriend's t-shirt and then I'm just gonna go in. That's what I'm thinking about now. But other than that, guys, welcome back to the video. And please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Pretty please, guys, please, we need to get to 2,000 subscribers. Like, it's urgent at this point. Like, literally, hey boo, sana. Why need to? But anyway, literally now I think I'm gonna be changing. I'll first go see, no thank you, I'll first see how the water temperature is, and then if it's not too cold, I'm going in. Anjan, yeah, banda ne yo Shan man, you better sugar look as time goes by. Yeah, guys, I'll see you when I see you. Bye. Avakala pesantini already. That is so cool. Oh baby. Asana. Water is so cold and ikwazi sana. Like ingathi ndingene I swear like the ice bath. Okay. Oh, Sana, it's so cold. There's no way. Woo! I'm gag. Hi, gag. Ah, gag, Sana. Sana. I sing out to one and I'll be ice stand on. Your eyes are fierce banding yard. So cold. I'm trying to feel like going in. That's Hannah. I have banda. angeke uzophinda ungene baby ndifuna uyatshintsha ngonogama ewe but ndiyayicinga yonke le nto but is it a good idea or bad idea? Yo, Asara, the water is so cold. Like, ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. Let me go put on some sunscreen. And then, yeah. Asana, abanda nce. Uyawazi ubanda nce. Abanda nce lamanzi. And I didn't even bring my tripod. Now, God. So literally I'm just relaxing now. Sana, the water is so freezing. I went in a few times but I abandoned so much. So I'm just gonna relax, yeah. I feel like taking a nap actually. It's so nice and like the beach is always a calming place. So now I just wanna feel like taking a nap. Really crazy. I bought you guys. If you guys say color because I love. So now guys, I'll see you again. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. As you guys can see, like I have a semi drawn brow. So today is a Saturday. It's the 26th of October. So I'm quickly getting ready right now. As you guys can see, I'm gonna be going out with a friend of mine. We were supposed to go to a wine farm, but then like she has clients until 1, so I think she was gonna be here around 2, but the weather now is changing in Cape Town. It was hot in the morning, but now it's a little bit let me tone this chow. I'm watching this series, yeah, Beauty in Black on Netflix. It's actually very nice. So now like literally it's getting cloudy and I don't think a wine farm is gonna be the best idea right now. it's like I give it where they're going for a wine farm. And I feel like when you go into a wine farm or anything, it must be hot. It must be like 29 degrees or 30 degrees out. You understand? That's when you're gonna be enjoying the wine farm. But anyway, guys, I don't want to be too much on this talking. You know, guys, I ramp a lot. So let me just get ready. I already like installed my hair and just like literally I washed it this morning. I took it out last night while I was sleeping because it was so damn hot, and then I washed it this morning. So now I'm just quickly doing my face quickly and then get dressed. She said she'll be here by 2, so now the time is 26 minutes past 1. So like I literally have like 34 minutes to get ready. And I just did my mom's makeup now. She's also going out with my aunt, so I quickly had to do her makeup and actually do her hair. So hence I'm so running late right now. But anyway, guys, let's get ready with me and let's slay this face, even though it doesn't need slaying. But let's just get it. Let's add more beauty. Okay, guys. Bye.
But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there.
I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything.
Okay, guys, so my face is done. I'm just gonna put on lashes, but I need to find glue first because I don't have any fucking glue. Ugh. That feels like heaven. When you get to that stage of your makeup, you feel like heaven. Okay, I look cute, don't I? So let's get some lashes on and then our makeup is gonna be done. I kind of should be here anytime now and but I understand, you know, when you have clients and you have to do hair, sometimes they don't go the get expecting hair, so it can take a while. Hence I said I don't think we're going to the one.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad.
I feel like starting this vlog again because wait, let me stand here. It's honestly, I feel like saying hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel because I look too good. Like I look big, I look good. Like I look good.
Did you change the hospital?
So he was just gonna go along with the plan.
I look so good. Oh my god. So anyway, guys, I'm done. I just need to put on lashes because I don't have lash glue. Bitch, I don't have lash glue.
That's all you
And
okay, let's take this fucking money.
I'll never not have lash glue.
Come on, Dave. You know we already owe you hundreds.
Guess what, guys? Guess what? It's Anna. It's only lash glue. Hope it's still the stays.
I have a confession. You see how hard I am?
Okay, guys, let's quickly get dressed because yeah, I just want to be ready. So I'll quickly get dressed now 8 ke sana. 8 my face up. I'm literally on my way to go fetch Akona. Reason being, she's not getting an Uber and the jungle eat pleasure. Okay, let me just quickly just so people will stay. Oh guys, so my Upuma Apa can be the hardest challenge ever. Like, you need to know your story, son. I got to the front more. Just go straight. Okay, still more to this side. Oh no. Hey, fuck. Okay, now let me go straight. Uba niyayazi i-challenge. It's challenging uphuma apha son. Now I need to be careful. This is cause passing by. I could just stand here and see a bit more to this side so I don't fucking scratch my car. Then we are out. We are out, guys. Not fucking easy. I'll just park my car so I can be able. Are you gonna close? You're such a sweetheart. Thank you. Okay, now. So guys, literally. Say hi to me to my channel. Hey subscribers, say hey guys. Hey guys. Hi guys. Just to update you guys, we got to Asara. The time is 4 o'clock. Asana. We were supposed to be here around 2, and then now we got the most. It's not too bad, but no bang like for the dinner. My lash kasana is sick. And I ain't got time for it. No, so we're gonna be here until I think 5, and then when they open for dinner upstairs, because this is also very nice, but I feel like it's more of a bar area, not really like in the whole like for a restaurant and stuff. But we're just gonna sit here for a while. We are at Asara Wine Estate. It's in Stellenbosch, as I said earlier on. So hey guys, this is my friend. Hey channel. This is the icon again, guys. If I like list, you're late to get your museum. Now it's getting cool. Okay guys, bye. Bye. decided to change the place where we were at because then it was so noisy and people were smoking just near us, and I can't deal with Chayo. And if you're wondering where's my eyelashes, I took them off because this one was falling off and I look stupid. So anyway, I still look cute. So we are upstairs. Here you can literally get cocktails and not wine, but then downstairs you can just order food and just strictly you're gonna be drinking wine. And I don't feel like wine, child. I got cocktails inside. So I'll show you guys the scenery.
might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. stuck up in my ways. We love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic in on yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You be, nah, be there. Be there.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave you, always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me. When it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Stop fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah, flexing on my ex.
else I play like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish, like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just think you're no bitch.
Oh, we took a lot. It's okay. Yeah, we took a lot of pictures. Yes, your place is amazing. Yes. Now. I think we can if I take that. Guys, welcome back to another video. And then I'm video catching. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Not another one. Today is a Thursday. I'm off today. I worked yesterday on a Wednesday, but right now I really want to go get some perfume. I ran out of perfume, guys, and each and every time I have to take a shower and Sana, I don't have perfume and all of that. So currently right now I'm gonna go to where I normally buy my perfume, that Turkish perfume type of brand, the Mason. And guys, it's hot in this car. Like I see now I'm walking at it, guys, it's so hot, like sure. But anyway, I got to drive out of the place now, so I really need to focus. It's like, what is it, 29 degrees, and straight. Getting out of this space, unzima. Okay, today was easy, not too bad. Then I just need to check your sauna. Okay. Just need to quickly go and close that damn gate. People don't close the gates other than that. I feel like it's only me. I have something more to lose than them. Damn, it's hot in Cape Town today. Kanye, is it the car or what? Because if I step outside, it's not too hot, but when we live in Modweni, it's like, yeah, jeez. Well, sorry guys, just want to secure this. Okay guys, let's go. Just get comfortable. Chase moto zabantu sana. Umuntu would try to milk me off imali kaDecember. Yazi abantu abanjani. Asana, I need cold air because liyaphela ngokutsha. Anyways, I'm about to go. So I don't really like focusing. I don't really like focusing on I just don't really like focusing on the camera while driving. I find it very distracting. So as soon as I get to a place where I am like stationary, then I'll see you guys then, because Nyani, it is very much disturbing and you can make small mistakes by just giving 1 second and I'm going to go. But anyway guys, I'll see you. Bye for now. Mwah. I need some music, Sana. So, Sana, my wig. Guys, it's embarrassing. My hair is embarrassing. I look embarrassing because and it's so hot today. So guys, now I am at SS Park. Yes, Clifton. Just to come get some perfumes and just check around. If anything, it's like a center where it's outlet stores, so you get some few stuff at cheaper prices. Oh. I don't know which angles are that. So yeah, as I said, let's go in. There's a cotton on, a Cape Unit mod.
Tell me how have you seen us? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hot chick that a youngin' never seen before.
Yeah, well, yes, guys, that's right. We've got liquor deals inside. Put that, get a package inside and put everything else to one side. Then up to 40% worth of savings. Package inside, don't get it right. The price is just right. Yeah, but yes, customers, we've got your walking shoes, your running shoes, your flying shoes, your standing shoes. It's all about shoes, man. Yeah, but yes. Don't get it right with it. Lekker voeten voor lekker mensen. Our shoes. You walk from Cape Town to Pero. Yes, you walk from Cape to Cairo, Maseru to Kapa. Yes, guys. Thank you very much in April. Yeah, but yes.
So hey guys, oh Sana, I've been complaining a lot. So I just got back from FG Perfumes. The store is located in SS Park. As you're about to enter and you're going to Belleville by Clifton. So I got my all-time favorite perfume, the Barakat. I can't pronounce this name. Barakat. I think it's Barakat. Yeah, it's the Barakat Rouge 540. And then I also got this Dean Sahir. This is like Arabic perfumes. They smell, I like this one. It smells, it doesn't, I don't like, it smells nice. I don't like a too sweet perfume, and I don't like a strong scent perfume. Like, and the tan in neutral, like, you see, this one smells like, I love it. So I got this one on 50% sale. They're currently running a 50% sale. And this one, it's normally $250. Yeah. So guys, that's that. I want to go to Belleville now, to the shops where they buy those clothes that they sell always online. So I want to go to DD Fashion. I don't know if you guys know DD Fashion, but I just want to go there quickly and then just go get a dress. There's a dress that I like, so I want to see if I can fit in that dress with my, and then if I like it, I'm gonna purchase it. Anyway, let's go guys. Shushu man, yay, 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 yay. I got you. The sun came out to play. And guys, my boyfriend is in Eastern Cape. Like, the way that I'm so bored, like, I never understood how important being with someone all the time is, because like, I'm just sitting in the house and I don't know what to do. Like, I'm watching all my shows and I'm so bored. I'm like, my boyfriend could be talking about this now, but yeah. Okay guys, let me get going quickly. I'm feeling my life by the whole day. It's 3 o'clock, so I just want to be done. go. Okay, I want my music now. DD fashion, literally how it looks in Pavo. It's like a small street as a Cape Town. You get my cosas, you get everything, but I'm not finding the dress that I'm looking for, and I'm getting so disappointed. But I'll ask one of the people that work here, because the lady that I saw the dress from waited with me an hour, but I can't seem to see it at all. Ufumana ziduku zo diesel, guys, can't do my money here, but everything yeah babel 2 rand 1 rand yonke fixing those up. Guys, get everything you see everywhere. You see, you got the Louis Vuitton, alles, but I didn't get the dress that I want, so I am leaving. Jackets, which is buff, but anyway, not dissing, but anyway, yo guys, everything in the bag. Oh yeah. So guys, I'm at the price right now. I selected a few dresses that I want to exchange. I kind of like it, honestly, I don't want to lie. And this one, and then a black version of this one, which is literally the size is shorter. Okay. And then this Skims dupe dress, but that is I'm not gonna do because I do have a gray one. So I just took it just for in case I do have a gray one of this one. So I think I'll mainly focus on these two. But yeah. So let me quickly get changed. I don't want to spend a lot of time here. My hair, guys, looks a mess. Yo, I'm so sad. But anyway, guys, so this is the dress that the first one. It's Sana. It feels like I have a BBL. So I like it so much. Yeah, you see what I mean? It makes me feel like I have a BBL. So let's try on the other ones. But then it's torn here. So I'm gonna go get another one, and it's torn this side. Not my doing. But baby, I look smashed on this. Okay guys, let's change and check the other ones. Is Vashini now selling wigs? Oh my god, it has a whole closure.
But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you mine forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and on now. Yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic and on that I did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there.
and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on see, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trust in you, I trust in you. So sad, but love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My baby, look home, baby, and my heart can't take no more, no more, no more. Can't tell it, guys. No, but I'm so crusty as hell. I'm super tired. I just want us to pack this grocery. I'm not gonna be talking here, so pack with me. Quick. I got these two cases for my bedroom pillowcases because those ones, they don't, the other one, the zip came off. So I got these at Pep for 100 rand. They look so cute actually. So I got two of them just for my bedroom scatter cushions. And then I got this from Mr. Price for like a toiletry bag, man, when I'm traveling, because I don't have one and my boyfriend took the other one. See, so that. And then I got this dress that I fitted at the fitting room that you guys saw. So I took another one because of that one was teared on the side. So whoever tore it was like right in my business. Then I got these at Fushini. Event if Duke too. We cut here event and then I don't know the cut here. And then there was a sale. There was a sale for earrings, so I got this pair, and then I got these dupe as well. Whoa, so nice I can. So I got these two, cute on there. And then I got these sunglasses. I saw these ones, I think it was K-Yams, but I would see the ones from Shein. So I got these. They are also from Fushini. They were 100 rand, and I was like, let me get me some because they look bougie as hell and they look so cute. And Miss Girl, imagine my hair's done, makeup slick, bitch. Okay, and then that's the clothing items I would say that I got. And then I got these vase from Babe. So I want to like decluster my my TV stand just to have few stuff on there. So I got two vases. The other ones are from, no, actually three. Then I have these two, which are very cute, also from Pep. And then got this one from Mr. Price. It was a markdown, so this was initially 130, so now it's like 90 rand. So yeah. And I got these two ceramic coasters.
Oh, they are candle axes. I'm gonna use them as coasters. So it's like ceramic. They look so cute. They look so beautiful. And y'all guys, I feel like that's much it. I just got like in the fridge, and I just bought these tissues for my car. I wanna, like, when I'm not feeling like making any food, just do this, see how that goes. I got some Nutri-Day for my granola and some honey for that, and I got some choc bites just for like a snack. And then I said I wanted to try this melagronako and aranya. Let me try now. Oh, sana thandizinto mihle. Doesn't taste too bad, but I'm not gonna buy it again. Then I bought my favorite dip. I dipped this with these salty cracks. Oh, heaven! Where's the heaven? And then I also got this Melrose salad because it was on special. Got myself a 6-pack of Cappy because this is the way to go. And please guys, go and support my friend Utando on her videos on TikTok. Please run those numbers up, guys, because she is. Hi my dolls. So I just wanted to close the vlog here. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for your support, and I just want you guys to keep on supporting me, showing me all the love. I really appreciate it, and I love every single comment that you guys share down below on my videos. You guys are so amazing. Please subscribe to my channel, share this channel with anyone that you think that would like my content. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.